So again, it's the measure of space between these two lines. So I'm going to take a piece of paper. You have extra paper on your table. So I encourage you to go ahead and just cover up that other side of that slope. What was slope again? Oh, pop quiz. Say it again. It's not the measure. It's just an inclined direction in reference to the horizontal plane. But close. The measure is the angle. Does that make sense? I'm sorry. So it is very dictionary sounding, but slope is simply the actual line, where angle is the measure of space. Okay? So I am finding the angle for the measure of space. Okay? So what I'm going to do is I covered up that one side, so I'm not even worried about that one. And I would actually recommend taking your protractor, which I can't do this on here because I go off the page, but I would extend that slope line on up so that it's easier to measure. You can also extend your horizontal line, but it's not as necessary. All right, so once you've done that, then our point of origin, what does that correspond with? Does anybody remember? The vertex. Very good. So we're going to line up our point of origin on our vertex. And our baseline needs to line up with that horizontal line. So we have the point of origin on the vertex and the baseline on the horizontal line. And now we can figure out the measurement. So our baseline is always going to point to 0. So, or our horizontal line will always point to 0. So I'm going to start at 0 over here. And I'm just going to read up my protractor until I get that cross line. What do we have? 90. You guys are awesome. Okay. I'm going to do the other side. I'm guessing we all know what that measurement's going to be, but I just want to walk us through it again. So I'm going to cover up this side that we just measured so that I'm just not even thinking about it. And I'm going to put my point of origin on that vertex. And my horizontal line is lined up with my baseline. And then again, my horizontal line points to 0. So I'm starting at 0 on this side now. And I'm sorry, I'm directionally challenged, so I don't know left and right very well. Bear with me. So I start at 0, and I read up to, what is it again? 90. Fantastic.